I don't know if anyone has any kind of birthdays in March or April coming up.
I know Ryan had his birthday in March, actually.
Okay, so let's make a birthday card, a belated birthday card for Ryan.
Let's do it.
Here. So with this whole social distancing kind of initiative that's put into place, or just like with like Rav and my teams, like we're all scattered across Canada. If it's somebody's birthday, for example, and you want to give them a card, we're not going to be sending the card to each individual person to get them to sign it, or even in an office setting, right? It's so obvious when you're like hiding this card that you're scribbling away when that birthday person or whoever, like the person that's leaving or joining the team comes in. So the one thing I really liked that I kind of discovered with PowerPoint, instead of purchasing a card and then like literally sending it to every individual person, I decided to use PowerPoint because it allowed me to kind of format pictures. So if we wanted to do, for example, a birthday card, I don't know if anyone has any kind of birthdays in March or April coming up.
I know Ryan had his birthday in March, actually.
Okay, so let's make a birthday card, a belated birthday card for Ryan.
Let's do it.
Here. In this case, I'm just doing a printout, so I'm going to adjust the size, customize the size. And if I wanted to print it easily on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, the width would be 11, and then the height would be 8.5.
Yeah, this is an awesome idea, actually, especially with the work from home. You know, there's birthdays still going on, and people still want something for their birthday, but you kind of don't want to go out and buy a card and then get that and everybody to sign it and stuff. It's not something you want to do, but this is perfect where you can create that digital card and be able to put one together and then share and collaborate it with everybody, and then make that digital one for them to send over to them, and then they can go ahead and print it out.
I want to choose a 40-year-old one for Ryan. He's not 40.
Yeah.
But I used to.
Yeah, Ryan is at 40.
And then while I'm designing the card, I'll create a new slide for everyone to write their own comments in. And this adds a really nice personal touch to it, because with the inking abilities of Windows 10, you can actually handwrite the message instead of everyone just, typing out a message and then you copying and pasting it onto the card.
So I'm just going to minimize your screen there just so they can see you're working on it too. I'm working on it too. They can kind of see it here as well.
So this is another point. If Rav were to start writing on the first slide and he wrote in pen, then I'm discarding that whole card and literally like buying a new card, right? But with this, because it's digital, even though it has his personal handwriting on it, I can just copy and paste that little section that he wrote and then paste it onto the second slide or wherever it needs to go. This was really useful too, because a lot of times when like I'm signing cards, some people write really big and they take up all the space and then you can't really fit yours in. So you can also adjust the size of the message as well too, just to kind of fit everybody's in. So Rabia, why don't you just write in a quick message on the other side for Ryan?
Yeah, and you can delete that little squiggle there. I just wanted to showcase, like, hey, if you were writing on a real card, like if that showed up, you gotta go buy a new card, right? So here's a perfect opportunity for me to say,
and then it actually works, and you're like, oh, okay.
So here's where I have my Surface Pen here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and write something for Ryan. So I'm gonna write down, hey Ryan, my writing is terrible. Happy birthday. Your writing is so much cleaner and nicer. And obviously you could take advantage of, having different colors, different types of writing tools.
Personalization thing, right? Like I always like signing my cards in pink because it's my favorite color. And I think it makes it stand out than everyone just passing on the same blue or black ink pen.
That's a perfect example of how you could get creative, especially if you're sharing a lot of your content, of what the perfect way for you to be able to do that actually is. And this is one example of you being able to do that. So if you got somebody that has a birthday, you want to put something together, make it nice, make it cool, open up PowerPoint, share that link out, right? Get people to sign it, make it creative. This was a perfect example of an idea Sophia had actually for one of our coworkers, and I think it was phenomenal, and they loved it as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, actually, the other thing I was just looking at now too is if you want to send the physical card and also the digital file, Ink Replay on PowerPoint will kind of replay all of the like all the writing on it. So it's a
Yeah.
kind of a little cute video to send with it too, as
And they can
everyone.
kind of actually see all the different comments and stuff actually going in. That is so touching, Sophia.
I'll make you a birthday card for your birthday too, Raf.
Okay. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a little bit of a while, but that's okay. I have something to look forward to now, right? So